I just wanna look good for you, good for you. Uh-oh, I just wanna look good for you, good for you.
So in today's video, I will be using OMG Queen's curly wig. I will have all the details in the description box. This wig came with a actual wig stand, and so I'm just showing you guys really quick how to put that together and showing you how it works. It's nice and cute and it's pink. Just really girly, really fun.
Leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
As you can see, this is a 360 wig. It's not a full lace wig, so therefore it has tracks, which is what I was showing you. And here's the wig on the cute little stand. And I'm going to briefly show you me bleaching the knots. I have plenty of videos on this. So, yeah. This was just a little bit of shedding after rinsing it. Just wanted to show you guys the amount, which was not that much. And you can see that bleaching the knots helps it blend with the skin.
Fighting to create a song. I don't want to miss a beat.
So I had already previously cut the front, but I'm going to also show you guys just how to put it on. And I really want to show you guys how to use this GOT2B glue, because I'm so tired of seeing videos and it literally makes me cringe the way some people use the GOT2B glue. So you're going to put it on there. Oh, and you want to make sure to use the yellow bottle as well. So for one, you definitely don't want to use a lot. And when you're putting it on, you don't pile it on. So when people complain about like how long it takes to dry, it's because they're putting too much. So what you also want to do is you want to smooth it out until it's like clear to where you can barely see it, because then it's literally going to stick with no issues.
To see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them. To see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
You guys, I literally like used the blow dryer for a minute, no more than a minute, on cool, and it just, I mean, it literally stuck just that fast. So less is more, you guys, seriously. And instead of slicking the baby hairs, I just kind of pulled them out. And I also didn't pluck this wig because the wig came pre-plucked, so that always helps. And I just pulled out little hairs, and I just wanted it to kind of lay. And I also just wanted to add like a couple of cute braids. I just thought it'd be really cute. Excuse my parting. For some reason, I literally cannot part like straight parts on myself, so don't judge me. I just thought the two little braids would be really cute. And I can just say overall this wig is really nice. I love the curly wig. It was really soft, and I didn't even use any product on it after wearing it, so it's really easy maintenance as well.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on.
So thank you guys for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram at @InVogueMeHair. Bye.